In a sunlit apartment, a young hustler outlines a daily routine that blends discipline with a vision of lasting wealth. They study successful investors and craft a small, scalable plan to automate savings, invest weekly, and reinvest every surplus. When a modest side project morphs into a luxury experience club, they pivot from selling mindsets to selling moments. Each milestone is celebrated with a ritual that strengthens focus, from weekly reviews to teaching others the exact steps. The result is a climb from tight budget to influential network, proving mindset plus value equals lasting abundance.